I think I've done all the climbing. I think it's only downhill from now on. And I'm almost halfway to the Troll Waterfall. Yeah, I think very soon I will be able to see where I got off the trail last time, because it's all downhill from here, and about 2 kilometers, well, less than 2 kilometers to the Troll Waterfall now. So let's keep going. Okay, so we are at the Troll Waterfall. Yeah. Now I will try to find a place to where I can take a bath. I think further down looks more promising. All of this in spring, when the snow is melting in the mountains, all of this is water. Yeah, I'm down in the forest again. I think I have between 2 and 3 kilometers left. I'm going to get some water here. Beautiful, beautiful, nice, clean water. I like this old forest, and I have the most wonderful view here. So yeah, I'm quite glad that I chose to walk this way, because this would have been a very demanding climb. Yeah, I'm deeper down in the valley now. Yeah, getting into you know, a type of forest that is more, what should I say, feels a bit more like home to me. Yeah, I think it's about 1 more kilometer now. Something like that. I don't have to hurry because I started so early. So I have lots of time concerning the taxi that I booked. And if I hadn't been able to get another taxi, I would now, I don't know what, I would have been, that would not have been a good situation, because you can always walk further, right? But I think this is enough for me for now. It's enough for me. I think it's about 500 meters left. Starting to feel it now. It's like when you know that, you know, this is the distance, right? And then you feel like you have nothing left when you approach the finishing line. But if it had been 20 more kilometers, I would have not felt like this. I would have felt like I could have walked longer. But yeah, I have so much respect for those people who, you know, who walk the Appalachian Trail, and people who walk Norway from south to north or north to south. Or even longer. It's so hot. I can see it now. Yeah. Is it like 1 week or 2 weeks? I think 2 weeks since I was here, and I got off the trail here. Yeah. Last few meters. Done. Yeah. Yeah, I'm walking towards where the taxi is going to pick me up. Yeah. I guess that's all for now.